If a craftsman wants to do good work, he must first sharpen his tools. As time advances, 3D technology becomes a must-have. If surgeons could see clearly and accurately, then you can stay healthy until a ripe old age. Do you know how minimally invasive surgery with small incisions is performed? Depending on the type of surgery, surgeons insert an endoscope with a diameter of 2 to 10 millimeters into the surgical site. They then perform the surgery by viewing the internal images on a screen. By choosing the new 3D technology, any endoscopic surgery such as laparoscopy, endoscopic surgery through the nasal passage, or endoscopic surgery through the ear can be upgraded from flat 2D to 3D. Surgeons could effortlessly regain the depth perception that was originally lost from 2D endoscopic images, making it easier to identify the relative distance between surgical instruments and organ tissues, so that surgeons could perform faster and with higher precision. This not only reduces the size of the incision significantly, but also avoid unsightly scars. Ultimately, surgeries are safer this way.